All right, so this is chapter 5. We're going to do the YouTube problem 8. Then here it says modify the turtle bar chart program so that the bar for any value of 200 or less is filled with red, value between 100 and 200 is filled with yellow, and bars representing values of less than 100 are filled with green. And the bar chart program is right here. Okay, so this is mine. Right here, I import a turtle, made the turtle screen. My background color is going to be gold. The color of the turtle is going to be purple. The pen size 3. I'm going to pick up my pen. I'm going to move it to the left 200, and then that's what I'm going to put down. So that's when I'm going to start drawing the bar graph. So I made a function, draw a graph. The T is the turtle and the height. So I'm going to pick up the pen, move it forward 10, and then I'm going to put the pen down, and I'm going to begin the fill. I'm going to move it 90 degrees, and the height and the string will be whatever the height is, and then I'm going to move it to the right 90 degrees and move forward 40, and then move down again right 90 degrees, and the forward is going to be the height, and then left is going to be 90 degrees, and then that's when I end the fill. And then I also didn't want to be in the graph here. I didn't want these little lines, so I'm going to take them out. That's why I comment this section out. Then I have another helper function with fill color, turtle, and the height. So, and I have a if else, and else statement going. So I wrote if height is greater than or equal to 200, the T fill color is going to be red. Else if height is greater than or equal to 100 and height is less than or equal to 200, the turtle fill color is going to be yellow. Or T fill culture is going to be green. And then I called the bar function. Then I have my list here. And then for I and XL, the XL is list, and fill color, T is turtle, I is height, and I'm just going to recall the main loop. So I'm going to run this. So as you can see, the turtle module moved left, and then I don't have any spaces here in between the bar graph. That way I have spaces in between the bar graph to where they're not connecting, they're individual bars, and that's it.